Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. I'm currently picking up Rick from school, but he does not want to leave in like an hour and we're still here, but I don't really mind because it's nice and sunny. And I look like this. I just want to get home and eat some food, but Rick doesn't want to leave, so I'm gonna drag him out soon. Parents of the kids I look after have gone away for the weekend, so I've got the house to myself, so we're gonna have some fun.
One lira from Turkey. I'm just. Oh.
Usually on a work day when we've cooked dinner and I make a big fat mess, I just go downstairs. Not my problem anymore, but I've got the kids to myself for the weekend, so time to clean all of this up. We made popcorn and it's everywhere. We joined the running club. Low-key regretting this. I'm like so out of shape.
Low-key 50 kilometers in. They don't know us.
We're like 2 kilometers in. Katinka said I feel like the fat kid at the back of the PE lesson. It's literally me. Hey guys, I'm on the way to the metro station because I'm gonna get a metro and then I'm gonna get on my super long Flixbus, and then tomorrow we wake up at 8 a.m. and we drive to France. So I'm very excited.
Yeah, okay.
We're snacking.
Cinnamon bread.
We're not even on the bus yet. Go on, Andre.
You beginner. And then it's just a touch. Seatbelt.
It's been about 7 hours in the car. Honestly, it doesn't feel like it. Like the Flixbus yesterday felt like nothing. Now I'm just like kind of chilling. It's been fine. We have like an hour and a half left to go. I'm a bit tired though, can't even lie.
Walk out skiing. Yeah, okay. That's exactly what
I was a fat baby. I was huge. Of all my sisters, I was massive.
You were?
You're like a wee. When it's going in the bowling.
Oh yeah. Nice strike. Damn, shit.
You look like a starburst.
Do you want to try it? A little too loose?
No, it feels pretty tight. Move it to this way more. Yeah. Ooh.
That's pretty weird.
I look like an idiot. Oh my god.
Here we go, Inca. Steepest part. New personal best. Yes! Oh! That's okay.
What happened? Ow.
It's like a clasp, and it's like in between it.
Can you not pull the plastic? If you pull the plastic instead.
Good morning. It is day 2. We are walking. We took it slow this morning so I could do some work. But now we're walking to the slopes. It's beautiful, but it's cold.
Back to you in the studio.
Back to you in the studio. Because for now they went towards La Masse.
Okay.
Oh. You're trying to video and it's just like...
Brad, that was far too quick.
We're just trying to care for your health.
Of course.
Yeah, 2 years. 2 years old. Yeah, exactly. Or it was last.
You're happy with them?
Yeah, really happy with it.
Double the height of this place.
That's crazy.
Crazy, Dad.
Like haggard. Hey guys, I am back from skiing. Absolutely fucking shattered. I'm just like, But I did ski lesson today, and we just went like, we just had no break, and now I'm like, because you're literally using your legs, like you're tensing your legs, you're flexing like for like 2 hours straight, and I'm just like, fuck, I have a nap. Fucking hell.
What? Which you want a picture of them? Pose.
What's wrong with these?
They're just such a lovely colour.
You're like a green screen man.
I don't see the point of not walking
Chilling.
fast. Because it's not like I'm gonna enjoy the walk. Yeah, I don't know. I need to ask
So this one here? This.
I'm very impressed by you two.
Yes, me too, actually.
That you're up here.
see Fred's understand today.
No.
It's traumatizing.
Go. Oh my god, black run. Oh my god. She's sending it. It's too quick, I can't even keep up. Oh my god. What are we gonna do? She's actually going crazy right now. Yo! GoPro line of the year. Whoa, whoa! She's going ham! Yo! Yo! That was huge!
Looks disgusting. What? Men, hur ska vi göra?
Ja.
Yeah! For food. We've got lunch to do as well.
Oh, you didn't finish.
It's for you.
Jeez Louise. Whoa, I don't have mine. I don't have mine.
He just came
Tap yours. Can you tap it on the ski boot?
God, this tastes like ass.
Andre's pissing. We are leaving today. Goodbye to this beautiful view. I don't want to go back to real life.